GMO. You hear these letters often. What do they truly mean? GMO stands for genetically modified organism. Genetic refers to genes. Genes are made of DNA. DNA is the blueprint of life. It holds instructions for every living thing, from the smallest microbe to the largest whale. It's the universe within each cell. Modified means changed. Scientists make a specific alteration. They change a small part of the organism's DNA. This is not like the changes from breeding dogs or creating new types of apples over centuries. Those are slow processes. Humans have guided those changes for millennia. We selected traits we liked patiently, generation after generation. Genetic engineering is more direct, more precise. Think of it as editing a single word in a giant cosmic instruction book. Scientists can identify a specific gene. This gene might give a useful trait like resistance to a pest or the ability to grow in salty soil, a targeted change for a desired outcome. So a GMO is an organism, a plant, an animal, or a microorganism. Its genetic material has been altered in a way that does not occur naturally, not through mating or natural recombination. It's a product of human ingenuity, exploring the very code of life itself, a new chapter in our understanding. How do scientists perform this genetic alchemy? It's a fascinating journey. First, they identify a trait of interest. Imagine a plant that wilts in drought or a crop destroyed by insects. Scientists might find another organism, perhaps a bacterium or a different plant. This organism thrives in dry conditions or naturally repels those very insects. The key is finding the specific gene, the gene responsible for that desired trait. This is like searching for one star in a galaxy, a tiny segment of DNA. Once found, scientists isolate this gene. They carefully extract it. This requires incredible precision, using sophisticated tools and knowledge. It's a delicate cosmic operation. Next comes the insertion. The isolated gene needs a new home. Scientists introduce it into the target organism's DNA. They might use a gene gun. This device shoots tiny gold particles coated with the desired DNA directly into plant cells, or they might use a helpful bacterium, a natural courier, to deliver the genetic package. After the gene is inserted, the work isn't over. Scientists must grow the modified organism, often starting from a single cell. They test it rigorously. Does it show the new trait? Are there any unintended effects? This process is careful. It takes time. Observation and verification are paramount. The universe demands such scrutiny. Why do we venture into this genetic frontier? What are the goals, the aspirations? One major reason is to enhance our food. Our planet has billions of hungry mouths and a growing population. GMOs can help crops produce more food, higher yields from the same amount of land. This can mean more food for everyone, a vital step towards global food security. Another goal is to improve nutrition. Some staple crops lack essential vitamins. Consider golden rice. It's engineered to produce beta-carotene. Our bodies convert this to vitamin A. This can help prevent blindness and save lives in regions with deficiencies, making our food work harder for us. A cosmic boost to human health. Pest resistance is another significant driver. Insects can devastate entire harvests. Some GMO crops produce their own protection, like Bt corn, which makes a protein. This protein is toxic to certain insect pests, but harmless to humans and other animals. This can reduce the need for spraying chemical pesticides. Fewer chemicals can mean a healthier environment, a more harmonious existence with our planet. Scientists also create GMOs for other reasons, to make crops tolerant to harsh conditions like drought, salty soils, or extreme temperatures. Imagine plants thriving where they couldn't before, expanding the reach of agriculture. Some GMOs are designed to produce medicines or even biodegradable plastics. The potential applications are vast, as limitless as our curiosity about the cosmos. The story of GMOs has many dimensions. There are clear stellar benefits, increased crop yields, as we've seen, enhanced nutritional value in some foods, and a reduction in the use of certain pesticides. These are powerful tools. They can help us face grand challenges like feeding the world and adapting to a changing climate. However, new technologies often raise questions and valid concerns. Some people worry about health risks. Are GMO foods safe to eat? Major scientific organizations worldwide have studied this. The overwhelming consensus is yes. Currently available GMOs are safe. They undergo extensive testing, often more than conventional foods. Environmental concerns also spark debate. Could genes from GMO crops spread to wild relatives? This is called gene flow. It can happen. Scientists study these risks carefully and the potential impact on ecosystems. For example, the effect on non-target insects like monarch butterflies and Bt corn pollen. Ongoing research helps us understand and manage these complex interactions. So the universe of GMOs is dynamic. It's a field of active research and ongoing public discussion. Like any powerful tool, it requires wisdom. Careful regulation and transparency are key. The journey of science is one of exploration. We must weigh the benefits against the risks, always striving for a brighter future, guided by evidence and a sense of wonder.